Hello, my name is Luz Adriana Sarmiento Mendez. I am 39 years old. I live in Bogotá, in two of Engativá, Bosques de Mariana neighborhood. I live with my husband and my two children and my pet. I study second semester in technology in Regency Pharmacy. Mm, my last trip was on my honeymoon to Santa Marta together with my husband and children. We lived spectacular days full of sun, beach, and happiness. I hope I hope that um I hope that our next trip will be to the sea again. We would like to visit San Andres and spend unforgettable momentos together as a family. Thank you.